friends. Today we will discuss about clause and phrases. It is very important chapter in English grammar. Friends. The understanding should be clear. Then formation of sentence will not be a problem. Yes, friends. Clause is nothing but a group of words that contains a verb. It is very important to note down that it contains a verb. That means it can be a sentence. Suppose, we can consider an example. He is happy. Here it contains some words, along with one verb. So it should be a clause, friends. In the sentence, there is be verb, is. We can discuss another example, friends. See the picture. Make a sentence for the picture. Yes, I think you find it. He is playing football. It is group of words with a verb. Here the verb is playing. So it is an example of clause. Friends. If you observe the clause, you can find that this clause can be used independently. No other clause is required for this clause. So, it can be called independent clause. Now we can take another example of clause. He is happy because he is playing. Here if you observe the sentence you find that there are numbers of verb. Can you find how many clause are there? 2. One clause. He is happy. Another clause. Because he is playing. Friends, you find that because he is playing cannot be used independently. It depends on another clause. He is happy. So, because he is playing is dependent clause. Also, the independent clause is he is happy. So friends, there are two types of clause. One is dependent clause. Another is independent clause. Independent clause can also be named as main clause, and dependent clause is also called subordinate clause. We can also discuss some more example, such as he loves football. I go to school. All are independent clause. We can write some more example, such as I met my juniors when I went to library. Here when I went to library is dependent clause. It depends upon the independent clause. I met my juniors. Another example. I didn't went to school because I had fever. Here, because I had fever is dependent clause. Friends, till now we have discussed about clause. Now we will learn phrase. What is phrase? Phrase is group of words that forms a meaningful unit. So it cannot be used as sentence, as it has no verb. Now I will discuss some example. See the picture. Form a sentence. I think you find it. Yes, it is. He is under treatment. Here the group of words under treatment is called phrase. It has a meaning. Other example. Ram had been living in Kolkata. Here, had been living. A phrase. Other example. You can buy books at 15% discount from Book Fair. Here, at 15% discount. A phrase. Other example. Please sit down for a while. Here, for a while. A phrase. Friends, can you tell me how many types of phrases are there? There are 5 types of phrases. Noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, prepositional phrase, adverb phrase. In the mind map, you can see the different types of phrase. Friends, what is noun phrase? Noun phrase is a group of words that all belong with the noun. And tell more about it. As example, I can tell you. A young man runs very fast. Here a young man is noun phrase. Another example. A beautiful girl is dancing. Can you guess what is the noun phrase? Yes, you are correct. A beautiful girl, friends. What is verb phrase? Verb phrase is group of words used as verb in a sentence. Usually it represents a separate meaning when they are used together. As example, I can tell you. I work out every week. Here work out is verb phrase. Another example. I clean up the room last night. Can you guess what is the verb phrase? Yes. Clean up. Next. She dressed up quickly. Here dressed up. Verb phrase. There are many more examples like get up, run away, go out, etc., friends. Now I will give some example on adjective phrase. She is extremely clever. In the sentence, extremely clever is meaningful words, and it is adjective phrase. Other examples are: the girl in red saree is beautiful. She wants a really big car. In the examples, can you find the phrase? I think you find it. In red saree. And a really big car is adjective phrase. See the mind map carefully. Now I will move to prepositional phrase. Here are some examples. I went to bed at 10 o'clock. There are some fish in the water. A road is under construction. Try to find the prepositional phrase. At 10 o'clock. In the water. And under construction are prepositional phrase. Now you can understand the use of phrase. And generally, a prepositional phrase will begin with a preposition, and end with a noun, pronoun, etc., adverb phrase, or adverbial phrase. Some examples of adverb phrase are: I exercise very regularly. He ate the lunch in hurry. The disease is spreading very quickly. In the example, very regularly, in hurry, very quickly are adverbial phrase. It is a group of words that functions as an adverb, friends. There are many more examples of different phrases. Some more examples of phrasal verbs are: for example, look verb, look for, look after, look into, look through. For make verb, make up, make for, make out, make off. For get verb, get up, get down, get on, etc. For take verb, take for, take away, take back, take after. There are many for examples of phrasal verbs. I will make a separate video on the phrasal verb. If you subscribe my channel, you will get the notification of my video. Some more adjective phrase are: full of life, slow but steady, null and void, made of gold or golden, earthen pot, sleepless night, brave act, so talkative, etc. There are many more examples. Use of such adjective phrase in sentence can increase beauty of the writing. Some more example on prepositional phrase I will discuss here. Suppose preposition at home, at large, at night, at glance. Many more are there. Take in preposition: in advance, in time, in favor of, in answer to. You can also take on preposition: on hand, on behalf of, on bail, on approval. I can give some more example on for preposition. For a while. Forever. For a reason. You can easily remember such phrase. If you apply this mind mapping technology, it can give you a picture form of the English grammar. Thanking you for watching my videos. If you have any queries, you can write your comments in the comment box. But do not forget to subscribe my channel by clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.